Hello everyone, welcome back to part 2 of our bird names learning series. In this video, you will see more amazing birds with fun facts and colorful pictures. Are you ready to meet new feathered friends? Let's get started. Lammergeier 1. It eats bones. Lammergeiers are the only birds that mainly eat bones. 2. Breaks bones from the sky. It drops big bones from high places to break them into small pieces. 3. Also called birded vulture. It has hair-like feathers under its beak that looks like a bird. It's a mountain bird. Lammergeiers live in tall mountains like the Himalayas. Has red eyes. Their eyes are bright red and give them a fierce look. Lapwing. It has a feather crown. Lapwings have a long crest of feathers on their heads. Makes a peewit sound. That's why it's called the peewit bird. Protects babies smartly. It pretends to be hurt to distract predators away from its nest. Lives near water. Found in farms, wetlands and grasslands. Both parents care for chicks. Lapwing moms and dads take turn protecting their young. Lark. Larks are great singers. They sing beautiful songs while flying high in the sky. 2. They can sing while flying straight up. Their song gets louder as they fly higher. 3. Mostly found in open fields. Larks love grasslands and farmland. 4. They are small but loud. Their voice is strong even though they are tiny birds. 5. They are active during sunrise. Larks are early birds and love to sing in the morning. Linnet 1. Linnets are small songbirds. They have a soft and sweet singing voice. 2. The male has a red chest. Especially during the breeding season, it looks very colorful. 3. They love to eat seeds. You will often find them in fields and gardens looking for seeds. 4. They often travel in flocks. Linnets stay together in small groups, especially in winter. 5. They are peaceful birds. Linnets are gentle and shy, not aggressive at all. Lovebird 1. They are very loving birds. Lovebirds got their name because they stay in pairs and are very affectionate. 2. They are small and colorful. These birds come in bright colors like green, yellow, blue and peach. 3. They live in Africa. Lovebirds are originally from the forest and the savannas of Africa. 4. They enjoy playing. Lovebirds are playful and love chewing toys and flying around. 5. They talk through chirps. They can't talk like parrots but make cute chirping sounds to communicate. Lyrebird 1. It is the best mimic bird. Lyrebirds can copy almost any sound they hear, even camera clicks or chainsaws. 2. It looks like a lyre. The male's tail feathers spread out like the shape of a musical instrument called a lyre. 3. It lives in Australia. Lyrebirds are found in forests and bushlands across Australia. 4. Only males have fancy tails. Males use their beautiful tails during dance displays to impress females. 5. They are shy but loud. You may not see them easily, but you will definitely hear them in the forest. Macaw 1. Macaws are very colorful. They have bright feathers in blue, red, green and yellow. 2. They can mimic human speech. Some macaws can copy words and sounds just like parrots. 3. They live in the rainforest. Macaws are native to Central and South America. 4. They have strong beaks. Their big curved beaks can crack hard nuts and seeds easily. 5. They stay in pairs. Macaws form strong bonds and usually live with a partner for life. Magpie 1. Magpies are very smart. They can recognize their own reflection in a mirror. 2. They like shiny things. Magpies often collect shiny objects like coins or bits of metals. 3. They can mimic sounds. Some magpies can copy human voices and other bird calls. 4. They live in many countries. Magpies are often in Europe, Asia, Australia and parts of Africa. 5. They are known for their black and white feather. Their feathers look simple but they shine with blue or green in sunlight. Mallard 1. It is a type of duck. The mallard is one of the most common ducks in the world. 2. Males have green heads. The male mallard has a shiny green head and yellow beak. 3. They love ponds and lakes. Mallards are often seen swimming in calm water bodies. 4. They quack loudly. Female mallards make the classic quack sound you often hear in cartoons. 5. They can fly long distance. Mallards are strong flyers and travel far during migration. Martin. 1. Martins are fast flyers. They fly quickly and smoothly, often catching insects in midair. 2. They eat flying insects. Martins love mosquitoes, flies, and other bugs. They help control pests. 3. They live in colonies. Many martins build nests close together in groups. 4. Purple martins are the largest swallows. They belong to the swallow family and are the biggest among them. 5. People build houses for them. In some places, people put up bird houses just to attract martins. Merlin. 1. It is a small falcon. Merlin is one of the smallest birds of prey, but it's very fast. 2. It's a strong hunter. It can catch other birds in midair using speed and surprise. 3. Found in open areas. Merlins live in grasslands, forests, and sometimes even cities. 4. They don't build nests. Instead, they use old nests and built by other birds. 5. Females are bigger than males. In Merlins, the female is larger. That's rare in birds. Muzzle thrush. 1. It sings in the rain. Muzzle thrushes are known for singing loudly even during bad weather. 2. They love mistletoe berries. That's how they got their name muzzle thrush. 3. They protect their food. If a tree has berries, a muzzle thrush will chase other birds away to keep it. 4. They have spotted chests. Their brown and white feathers are covered in neat dark spots. 5. They nest high in trees. Muzzle thrushes build their nests up high to stay safe from predators. Macaw. 1. Macaw is an extinct bird. Macaws live in New Zealand but disappeared over 500 years ago. 2. They couldn't fly. Macaws were flightless birds just like ostriches and emus. 3. Some were very tall. The biggest macaws were over 3.5 meters. That is 12 feet tall. 4. They had no wings at all. Unlike other birds, macaws didn't even have small wings. 5. Humans caused their extinction. Macaws were hunted by early people, which led to their extinction. Mockingbird. 1. It can copy other birds. Mockingbirds are great mimics. They copy the songs of other birds. 2. They sing a lot. A single mockingbird can sing up to 200 different tunes. 3. They sing even at night, especially when they are alone. Male mockingbirds sing loudly in the dark. 4. They protect their nest bravely. Mockingbirds will chase away bigger birds, cats, or even humans. 5. They are found in North America. The northern mockingbird is the state bird of 5 US states, including Texas. Moorhen. 1. It's a water bird. Moorhens are often found swimming in ponds, lakes, and marshes. 2. They have red and yellow beaks. Their bright colored beaks make them easy to recognize. 3. They can swim and walk. Moorhens are great swimmers and can walk across floating plants too. 4. They make loud squeaky sounds. Their calls sound like squeaks and squawks, not like quacking. 5. They are shy and quick. Moorhens hide in plants when they feel scared, but they move very fast. Mynah bird. 1. It can talk like humans. Mynah birds are amazing mimics. They can copy human voices clearly. 2. They belong to the starling family. Mynahs are close relatives of starlings and have similar behavior. 3. They are found in Asia and Africa, common in India and Sri Lanka, especially the Indian mynah. 4. They are very social. Mynahs love to live in pairs or groups and are very active birds. 5. They have yellow eye patches. Most mynahs have bright yellow skin around their eyes and beak. Nightingale. 1. It sings beautifully. The nightingale is famous for its loud and sweet song. 2. It sings even at night. Unlike many birds, nightingales sing during the night. That's how it got its name. 3. Only the male sings. The male nightingale sings to attract a mate and protect its area. 4. They live in forests and garden. Nightingales prefer quiet places with lots of trees and bushes. 5. It's a symbol of love and poetry. Many poems and stories talk about the nightingale as a bird of love and beauty. Nightjar. 1. It is active at night. Nightjars sleep during the day and fly around to hunt at night. 2. It eats flying insects. They catch moths and bugs in the air with their wide mouths. 3. They are hard to see. Their feather colors help them hide perfectly in leaves and ground. 4. They make a churring sound. Nightjars have a long vibrating call that sounds like cha-cha-cha. 5. Also called the goat sucker. In old times, people believed it drank milk from goats, but that's just a myth. Nuthatch. 1. It climbs down trees head first. Nuthatches are one of the only birds that can walk down trees upside down. 2. It has a strong beak. They use their beaks to crack open nuts and seeds. That's how they got the name nuthatch. 3. They don't build nest with mud. Instead, they find holes in trees and stuff them with barks and feathers. 4. They are small and fast. Nuthatches are tiny birds that move quickly along tree trunks and branches. 5. They are very noisy. Nuthatches make loud, repeated calls that sounds like yank yank yank. Ortolan. 1. It's a small songbird. The ortolan is tiny but has a sweet and soft singing voice. 2. Found in Europe and Africa. Ortolans live in fields and farmlands and they migrate between Europe and Africa. 3. It eats seeds and insects. They love grains, seeds and small bugs, especially during summer. 4. They travel long distances. Ortolans fly thousands of kilometers during migration season. 5. It has a greenish yellow chest. Its soft green and brown feathers help it blend into nature. Osprey. 1. It eats only fish. Ospreys are expert hunters and catch fish right from the water. 2. They dive into the water. Ospreys fly high, then dive feet first to grab fish with their sharp talons. 3. They have a strong grip. Their feet can rotate to hold slippery fish tightly. One claw faces backward. 4. They live near water. Ospreys are found near rivers, lakes and oceans around the world. 5. They build huge nests. Osprey nests are made of sticks and can be reused and added to for many years. Ostrich. 1. It's the biggest bird in the world. Ostrich can grow up to 9 feet tall. 2. It cannot fly. Even though it has wings, the ostrich is a flightless bird. 3. It runs very fast. Ostriches can run up to 70 km per hour, faster than most animals. 4. It has the largest eyes of any land animal. Each eye is bigger than a golf ball, perfect for spotting danger. 5. It lays the biggest eggs. One ostrich egg is as big as 24 chicken eggs. Owl. 1. It's a type of thrush. The owl belongs to the thrush family, just like the common blackbird. 2. It has a white ring on its chest. That's why it's called the ring owl. It has a white patch on its dark body. 3. It sings beautifully. Owls have a rich, fluting song, often heard in quiet mountain areas. 4. It lives in hills and mountains. They prefer high rocky areas with shrubs and trees. 5. It migrates during winter. Ring owls leave cold regions and travel south in winter for warmth. Owl. 1. Owls can see in the dark. They have special eyes that help them see clearly at night. 2. They can turn their heads a lot. Owls can rotate their heads up to 270 degrees without moving their bodies. 3. They fly silently. Their feathers are made to muffle sound so they can sneak up on their prey. 4. They hunt small animals. Owls eat mice, insects and even snakes. They are excellent hunters. 5. They hoot to communicate. Each owl has a different hoot sound used to call or warn others. Oyster catcher. 1. It has a bright orange beak. The oyster catcher's long, strong beak helps it find food in the sand. 2. It doesn't eat oysters only. Despite the name, it eats many things like clams, worms, and mussels. 3. It lives near the coast. Oyster catchers are usually found on beaches, mudflats, and rocky shores. 4. They are noisy birds. They make loud, sharp calls, especially when protecting their nest. 5. They are great parents. Both male and female take turns sitting on the eggs and caring for chicks. Parakeet. 1. It's a small parrot. Parakeets are small, colorful parrots with long tails. 2. They can learn to talk. With practice, some parakeets can mimic words and sounds. 3. They love to play. Parakeets enjoy toys, mirrors, and spending time with people. 4. They clean their feathers often. These birds preen their feathers every day to stay neat and shiny. 5. They are social birds. Parakeets love company. They are happiest when they have a friend or a human around. Parrot. 1. Parrots can talk. They are great mimics and can repeat human words and sounds. 2. They are very smart. Parrots can solve puzzles, learn tricks, and even recognize shapes and colors. 3. They have strong curved beaks. Their beaks help them crack nuts, eat fruits, and climb branches. 4. They live long lives. Some parrots can live for more than 50 years, even up to 80. 5. They come in many bright colors. Parrots are known for their green, red, yellow, and blue feathers. Partridge. 1. Partridges live on the ground. They don't fly much and prefer walking or running in fields. 2. They are part of the peasant family. Partridges are related to quails and peasants, all ground birds. 3. They make loud whistling calls. Partridges have strong, sharp calls used to warn others. 4. They nest on the ground. Partridges lay their eggs in shallow nests hidden in grass or bushes. 5. They are well camouflaged. Their brown and grey feathers help them blend in with the soil and grass. Peacock. 1. It has a beautiful tail. The male peacock has a long, colorful tail with shiny eye patterns. 2. Only the male is called a peacock, the female is called a peahen, and together they are called peafowl. 3. They spread their tail to attract mates. The male fans out his tail feathers in a big display to impress the female. 4. They can fly short distances. Even with a big tail, peacocks can fly up into trees to stay safe. 5. It is the national bird of India. The peacock is a symbol of beauty, grace, and pride. Peewit. 1. It makes a peewit sound. That's where it gets the name peewit, from its funny whistling call. 2. It has a feather crown. Peewits have a long curly feathers on top of their heads like a tiny crown. 3. It protects its babies smartly. Peewits pretend to be injured to distract predators away from their nest. 4. They live in open fields and wetlands. You can often find them in farms, grasslands, and near water. 5. They fly with twisty wings. Their flight is bouncy and beautiful with wavy wing patterns. Pelican. 1. It has a huge beak with a pouch. Pelicans use their big throat pouch to scoop up fish from the water. 2. They can hold lots of water. Their big pouch can hold up to 3 gallons of water. 3. They often fish in groups. Pelicans work together to drive fish into shallow water before catching them. 4. They are strong flyers. Even though they are large, pelicans can fly high and glide smoothly in the air. 5. They live near lakes, rivers, and oceans. You will find pelicans near water bodies all around the world, especially in warm places. Penguin. 1. Penguins cannot fly. They are birds, but their wings are made for swimming, not flying. 2. They are great swimmers. Penguins fly underwater using their flipper-like wings. 3. They live in cold places. Most penguins live in Antarctica, but some live in warmer areas too. 4. They wear a tuxedo. Their black and white feathers look like they are dressed up in suits. 5. Dads take care of the eggs. In some penguin species, the father keeps the egg warm while the mother looks for food. Peregrine falcon. 1. It's the fastest bird in the world. Peregrine falcons can dive at speeds over 320 km per hour to catch prey. 2. They hunt in the sky. They catch other birds in midair with super speed and sharp claws. 3. They live all over the world. Peregrine falcons are found on every continent except Antarctica. 4. They were once endangered. Their numbers dropped due to pollution, but strong protection helped them recover. 5. They nest on cliffs or tall buildings. In cities, they use skyscrapers just like cliffs in the wild. Petrel. 1. Petrels live at sea. They spend most of their lives flying over the open ocean. 2. They glide with ease. Petrels can glide for hours without flapping their wings. They ride the ocean winds. 3. They come to land only to nest. Petrels return to coastal islands or cliffs just to lay eggs and raise chicks. 4. They follow ships. You can often see petrels flying behind boats looking for food scraps. 5. They have a tube on their beak. This special tube helps them get rid of extra salt from seawater they swallow. Peasant. 1. Males are very colorful. Male peasants have bright feathers with red, green, gold, and even purple. 2. They live on the ground. Peasants prefer walking and running instead of flying. 3. They fly only when scared. If threatened, they suddenly burst into the air with loud flapping. 4. They have long tails, especially male peasants. Their tails are long and pointed. 5. They are shy birds. Peasants hide in grass or bushes and don't like to be seen easily. Pigeon. 1. They are found everywhere. Pigeons live in cities, towns, and villages all over the world. 2. They were once messengers. Long ago, pigeons carried messages during wars. They always found their way home. 3. They can recognize face. Pigeons are smart and can remember human faces. 4. They feed their babies pigeon milk. Both parents make a special milk in their throat to feed their chicks. 5. They are symbol of peace. The white pigeon or dove is often used as a symbol of peace and love. Pintail. 1. It has a long pointed nail. That's why it's called a pintail. The male's tail looks like a pin or spear. 2. They are graceful flyers. Pintails are strong, fast flyers that travel long distances during migration. 3. They live near water. Pintails are found in lakes, ponds, marshes, and flooded fields. 4. They are slim and elegant. Compared to other ducks, pintails have a long neck and slender body. 5. They eat both plants and insects. Pintails feed on seeds, grass, small water bugs, and insects. Pipit. 1. It walks instead of hops. Unlike many birds, pipits walk smoothly on the ground instead of hopping. 2. They are small and brown. Pipits have plain brown feathers that help them blend into grass and fields. 3. They live in open areas. You can spot pipits in grasslands, farmlands, and even near mountains. 4. They sing while flying. Some pipits sing short, sweet songs during flight. It's called a song flight. 5. They eat insects. Pipits feed mostly on small insects and worms they find on the ground. Plover. 1. It lives near water. Plovers are found on beaches, riverbanks, and muddy flats. 2. They run in short bursts. Plovers don't hop, they run, stop, and run again while looking for food. 3. They have short bills. Their small straight beaks help them pick up insects and tiny sea creatures. 4. They nest on the ground. Plovers lay their eggs in shallow scraps on sand or gravel. No big nest. 5. They can pretend to be hurt. To protect their babies, plovers pretend to have a broken wing to distract predators. Ptarmigan. 1. It changes color with the seasons. Ptarmigans are brown in summer and turn white in winter to blend with snow. 2. They live in cold and snowy places. You will find ptarmigans in mountains, tundras, and Arctic regions. 3. They walk on snow. Their feathered covered feet act like snowshoes, perfect for walking on snow. 4. They stay low to the ground. Ptarmigans hide in snow or bushes and rarely fly unless needed. 5. They eat plants and berries. Even in winter, they dig through snow to find food like twigs, buds, and berries. Puffin. 1. It has a colorful beak. Puffins have bright orange, yellow, and red beaks, especially during the breeding season. 2. They are great swimmers. Puffins use their wings to fly underwater and catch small fish. 3. They live on sea cliffs. Puffins nest in burrows on steep cliffs near the ocean. 4. They carry many fish at once. A puffin can hold up to 10 fish in its beak at the same time. 5. They are fast flyers. Even with short wings, puffins can fly up to 80 km per hour by flapping very fast. Quail. 1. It's a small ground bird. Quails are tiny birds that prefer walking or running rather than flying. 2. They have a head feather. Many quails have a little feather that sticks up like a hat. It calls a plume. 3. They live in groups. Quails like to stay in families or small groups called coveys. 4. They lay lots of eggs. A female quail can lay 10 to 20 eggs in one nest. 5. They hide in grass and bushes. Their brown feathers help them blend into the ground to stay safe. Rail. 1. Rails are shy and secretive. They love to hide in thick reeds and are rarely seen in the open. 2. They live near water. Rails are found in marshes, swamps, and along the edges of lakes and rivers. 3. They have long toes. Their long toes help them walk easily on soft mud and floating plants. 4. They can run fast. When scared, rails prefer running through grass instead of flying away. 5. They make loud, strange calls. Rails have unique sounds, sometimes grunts, squeaks, or even pig-like noises. Raven. 1. Ravens are very smart. They can solve puzzles, use tools, and even remember faces. 2. They make many sounds. Ravens don't just caw. They click, whistle, and mimic other noises too. 3. They mate for life. Once a raven finds a partner, they usually stay together forever. 4. They are excellent flyers. Ravens can soar, glide, and even do flips in the air. 5. They appear in myths and stories. Ravens are famous birds in many cultures, seen as messengers, tricksters, or symbol of wisdom. Red kite. 1. It has a forked tail. The red kite's tail is shaped like the letter V, easy to spot in the sky. 2. It's a skilled glider. Red kites glide smoothly in the air using their wide wings and tail to steer. 3. They eat many things. Red kites feed on small animals, insects, and even dead animals. 4. They were once nearby extinct. Red kites disappeared from many areas but have made a strong comeback thanks to protection. 5. They whistle while flying. Their call is a high-pitched whistling sound, often heard as they soar above. Redpoll. 1. It has a red patch on its head. The redpoll gets its name from the bright red spot on its forehead. 2. It loves cold weather. Redpolls are winter birds often found in snowy forest and Arctic regions. 3. They travel in flocks. These tiny birds move in big groups, chirping loudly as they fly. 4. They eat small seeds. Redpolls mostly feed on birch and alder seeds. Their tiny beaks are perfect for it. 5. They sometimes tunnel in snow. In freezing weather, redpolls dig into snow to stay warm overnight. Redstart. 1. It has a bright orange-red tail. That's how it got its name. Red for the color and start is an old word for tail. 2. Males are very colorful. Male redstarts have black faces, grey heads, and a glowing orange chest and tail. 3. They flick their tails while moving. Redstarts often shake or flash their tail to scare insects into flying. Then they catch them. 4. They are migratory birds. Redstarts live in Europe and Asia during summer and fly to Africa for winter. 5. They love open woodlands. You will find redstarts near trees, gardens, and forest edges, always busy and singing. Redwing. 1. It has red under its wings. You will see a flash of red when it flies. That's how it got the name Redwing. 2. It belongs to the thrush family. Just like robins and blackbirds, redwings are part of the thrush family. 3. They migrate in winter. Redwings fly from cold northern lands to warmer places during winter. 4. They eat berries and insects. In summer, they eat insects. In winter, they love berries like holly and rowan. 5. They sing a soft whistling song. Redwings have a gentle seep call and sweet tunes, especially during migration. Rhea. 1. Rheas are big birds. They live in South America and are very tall. 2. They cannot fly, but they can run very fast on land. 3. They have strong legs. Rhea can run up to 60 km per hour. 4. Daddy Rhea takes care. The male builds the nest and looks after the babies. 5. They eat many things. Rheas eat fruits, plants, insects, and small animals. Ringdove. 1. It is a type of pigeon. Ringdoves are also called wood pigeons. 2. It has a white ring on its neck. That's why it's called a ringdove. 3. They live in trees in packs. You can see them in gardens, farms and forests. 4. They eat seeds and fruits. Ringdoves love to eat grains, berries and green leaves. 5. They make soft cooing sound. Their call is calm and peaceful cuckoo. Roadrunner. 1. It runs very fast. Roadrunners can run up to 30 km per hour. 2. It lives in deserts. You can find it in hot, dry places like the southwestern USA. 3. It eats meat. Roadrunners catch insects, lizards, snakes and even small birds. 4. It can fly but not far. It mostly runs but flies short distance when needed. 5. It makes a low coo sound. Not beep beep like the cartoon. Real roadrunners coo or rattle. Robin. 1. It has a red chest. That's why it called a robin redbreast. 2. It sings sweet songs. Robins sing early in the morning, even before sunrise. 3. They live in gardens and trees. Robins are often seen in parks, backyards and forests. 4. They are friendly but brave. Robins may come close to people, but they fight other robins for space. 5. They eat worms and fruits. Robins love earthworms, berries and small insects. Rook. 1. It is a type of crow. Rooks are part of the crow family, but they have a pale beak base. 2. They live in big groups. Rooks build nests close together in tall trees. It's called a rookery. 3. They are very smart. Rooks can solve problems and use simple tools to get food. 4. They eat many things. Rooks eat insects, seeds, fruits and even small animals. 5. They make loud caw sounds. You will hear them calling and chatting with their flock all day. Sandpiper. 1. It lives near water. Sandpipers are found on beaches, riverbanks and mudflats. 2. They have long legs and beaks. These help them walk in shallow water and pick tiny insects. 3. They run, stop and run again. Sandpipers move fast along the shore while looking for food. 4. They make soft peep sounds. Their calls are short and gentle, often heard in groups. 5. They migrate long distance. Some sandpipers fly thousands of kilometers between seasons. Seagull. 1. It lives near the sea. Seagulls are often found on beaches, boats and harbors. 2. They eat almost anything. Seagulls eat fish, insects, food scraps, even chips and bread. 3. They are noisy birds. Seagulls make loud sharp calls, especially in groups. 4. They can fly and swim. Seagulls fly high and can float on water using their webbed feet. 5. They are very smart. Some seagulls drop shells from the sky to break them open for food. Shag. 1. It's a seabird. Shags live near rocky coasts and cliffs by the ocean. 2. They are great divers. Shags dive deep underwater to catch fish. 3. They have slim bodies. Their thin shape helps them swim fast in water. 4. Their feathers get wet. Unlike many birds, shag feathers aren't fully waterproof, so they spread their wings to dry. 5. They have a hooked beak. This sharp beak helps them grab slippery fish. Shearwater. 1. It lives on the ocean. Shearwaters stay at sea most of their life. 2. It flies close to the water. They glide just above the waves. 3. They travel very far. Some fly thousands of kilometers during migration. 4. Their nose looks like a tube. This helps them smell food and remove salt. 5. They come to land only to lay eggs. They nest on islands, then go back to sea. Shelduck. 1. It is a big duck. Shelducks are larger than most ducks and look bold. 2. They have bright colors. They are white with black, green and a red beak. 3. They live near the coast. You can find them near beaches, lakes and muddy shores. 4. They nest in rabbit holes. Shield ducks often lay eggs in old rabbit burrows. 5. Their babies follow in a line. Shield duck ducklings walk behind their parents all in a row. Shrike. 1. It's a small bird. Shrikes are about the size of a robin. 2. They act like hunters. Shrikes catch insects, small birds and even mice. 3. They have a hooked beak. Their beak looks like an eagle's, sharp and curved. 4. They hang food on thorns. Shrikes stick prey on sharp branches to eat later, like a bird's fridge. 5. They live in open lands. You can find shrikes in fields, grasslands, and bushy areas. Siskin. 1. It's a tiny bird. Siskins are small and light like sparrows. 2. They have yellow and green feathers. Males are brighter with black on the head. 3. They love to sing. Siskins sing fast, happy songs even while flying. 4. They eat seeds. Siskins love seeds from trees like alder and birch. 5. They travel in flocks. In winter, they fly in groups and visit gardens for food. That's the end of part 2. We have met some amazing birds from the Lammergeier to the Siskin, but there is more to come. From S to Y, get ready for rare and exciting birds in part 3. Don't forget to follow for the next part. See you soon. And thanks for watching.